This is the analysis of Darbhanga Raj. Darbhanga Raj is also known as Raj Darbhanga estate was one of the most influential zamindari estate in Bihar, India, established in the late 16th century. It evolved into a powerful federal and cultural institution that shaped the politics, economy and society of the Mithila region. The estate was ruled by the Mithila Brahmin family of the Kuniwar dynasty, later succeeded by the Khandwala family, who rose to prominence under Mughal patronage. Darbhanga Raj played a significant role not only in the local governments but also in the preservation of Mithali culture and Hindu tradition. The origin of Darbhanga Raj traces back to Mahesh Thakur, a Mithali Brahmin who was appointed as a caretaker of Mithila by Emperor Akbar around 1577. Recognizing his administrative skill and loyalty, Akbar granted him the Jamindari rights of the region. This marked the beginning of Darbhanga Raj, which would remain influential for the more than 3 centuries. The Raj developed as one of the largest land-holding estate in India, covering vast tracts of land across Bihar and part of present-day Nepal. The ruler of Darbhanga held the title of Maharaja and the later Maharaja Jadharaja, highlighting their prestige in the regional archaeology. The estate economic strength came primarily from its immense land holding, agriculture revenue and rent collection. The Darbhanga ruler invested their wealth in the religious institutions, temple, Sanskrit educations and charitable works. They were known for their patronage of scholars, poets and artists, which gently contributed to the cultural resonance of Mithila. The Raj also became an important center of Mithila literature and Sanskrit learning, attracting intellectuals from across India. During the British colonial period, Darbhanga Raj's status grew further. The estate was officially recognized by the British administration and its rulers were integrated into British crown during the revolt of 1857, which ensured their continued privileges. They were also among the richest landowner in India, sometimes compared to princely ruler. Despite being technically zamindar, their revenues were used not only for personal luxury but also for public work such as road, hospital, college and irrigation facilities, which strengthened their legitimacy as ruler. One of the most remarkable aspects of Darbhanga Raj was its blend of traditional Hindu kingship with modern administrative practices. The Maharajas sought to maintain their role as cultural guardians of Mithila while adapting to the changing political landscape under the British Raj. The estate became the bridge between the federal tradition and colonial governments, reflecting the complexity of Indian society in the 18th and the 19th century. In summary, the establishment and rise of the Darbhanga Raj illustrate how the local Brahmins family rose to prominence under Mughal patronage and sustained its influence under the British. Its legacy in landholding, culture and education cemented its role as one of the most prominent Jamindari estate of Bihar.